Have you ever updated a WordPress plugin only to find that your website crashes, displays the dreaded white screen, or stops other plugins from working? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to easily roll back a plugin update and restore your site. Stick around as we go through multiple methods, so you'll always have a solution no matter the situation. Method 1. Using the WP Rollback Plugin, easy and recommended. The easiest and safest way to roll back a plugin update is by using the WP Rollback Plugin. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Install and activate WP Rollback. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins in the left menu. Select Add New at the top. In the search bar, type WP Rollback. Once you find the WP Rollback plugin, click the Install Now button. After installation, click Activate. Step 2. Roll back the plugin version. Go back to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Find the plugin that you want to roll back. Next to the Deactivate button, you'll see a new option called Rollback. Click on the Rollback button. A list of previous versions will appear. Select the version you want to revert to and click Rollback again. Confirm your selection and wait for the process to complete. That's it. Your plugin has now been rolled back to a previous version. This method is best for non-technical users who want a quick and safe rollback. But what if WP Rollback doesn't work or your plugin isn't supported? Let's move on to the manual method. Method 2. Manually downgrading a plugin. If WP Rollback does not support your plugin or you prefer to manually control the downgrade process, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the older version of the plugin. Open a web browser and go to the WordPress plugin repository. Search for the plugin you need to downgrade. Click on the Advanced View link found in the right sidebar. Scroll down to the Previous Versions section. Select the version you want and click Download. Step 2. Upload and replace the plugin. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and Installed Plugins. Find the plugin you want to downgrade, click Deactivate, then click Delete. Now, go to Plugins and Add New. Click on Upload Plugin. Upload the zip file of the older version that you just downloaded. Click Install now and then activate. And that's how you manually downgrade a plugin. This method is useful if WP Rollback does not support your specific plugin. But what if the plugin update has already broken your site and you can't access WordPress at all? Let's look at restoring from a backup. Method 3. Restore from a backup. If the plugin breaks your site. If updating a plugin caused a critical error and you are locked out of your WordPress site, restoring from a backup is the best option. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Log into your hosting control panel. Open your web browser and go to your hosting provider's website. Log in to your hosting account. Navigate to your control panel, cPanel, Plesk, etc. Step 2. Restore a backup. Look for the Backup Manager in your hosting control panel. Select a recent backup from before the plugin update. Restore the backup. Wait for the process to complete and check if your website is back to normal. Step 3. Delete the problematic plugin manually if no backup is available. If you do not have a backup, you can manually remove the plugin via File Manager or FTP. Log into your hosting control panel and open File Manager. Navigate to WP Content/Plugins/. Find the folder of the problematic plugin and delete it. By following these steps, you can regain access to your WordPress site and fix any issues caused by the plugin update. However, to prevent this from happening again, let's look at one final precaution. Disable auto updates for that plugin. Once you have rolled back your plugin, you might want to prevent it from updating automatically in the future. Here's how to disable auto updates. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins and Installed Plugins. Find the plugin you just rolled back. Click on Disable Auto Updates next to the plugin name. By disabling automatic updates, you can prevent unexpected issues from happening again. However, make sure to update plugins manually after testing them on a staging site. That's all for today. Now you know how to roll back a plugin update using WP Rollback, manually downgrading, or restoring from a backup. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next video.